Oh no.
What do you guys think is like the most detailed aircraft in GeoFS?
I've got to say the Concorde.
That's
There are
good for a
many.
browser. Yeah, the Concorde. It's like a couple of months
never.
ago. It was pretty. I gotta say, but now they changed it. Bro, this texture on the
Oh, no, no,
picture
no,
looks good, bro. And the
Oh my
interior
god, I
is
just
made.
made a very bouncy landing and I just died. Whatever.
Nice.
R.I.P. man.
Yeah.
No,
R.I.P.
you're actually gliding on
Spice jet. What's
Reverse
spice
thrust.
jet?
reverse thrust.
What's spice jet? Oh my god.
Say reverse thrust.
Featherweight is taken off. Featherweight, that's cheating. That's not fair. That's cheating.
High featherweight.
Featherweight, that's cheating.
Wait, what did he do? Wait, what did he
Power,
do?
more power. Oh no.
He's using a
I'm gonna do it here.
helicopter.
Full
That's
power.
cheating.
Power, full
Helicopter.
power.
Of course, that can take
Wait,
off.
actually, helicopters do actually fly to aircraft carriers, but whatever.
Yeah, we know. So what airplane am I?
Oh, he just ate. He just ate.
That's like
bro.
total
You're
suicide.
right on.
That's total suicidal move.
Oh my goodness, I legitimately just pressed autopilot, the normal autopilot, and it got to 69 knots.
I'm landing
Holy damn.
Cessna 172 on the carrier right now.
Oh my
Watch
god,
me
it got
die.
6-9 knots.
I'm doing good.
Nice.
Yeah, I
Look
legitimately
at me
did not
go.
do that on purpose. Like,
Full
I legitimately,
flaps.
that was random.
Damn,
What
brakes
a guy.
on.
It's
I'm
supposed
gonna
to be.
kick back.
It's your day today.
Easy and steady, steady and easy. I'm so gonna
Yeah,
overshoot
you
this.
actually have to put middle flap, so you gotta press the flap button 2 times.
No.
Yeah.
Don't stall. Don't stall.
Look at
Stop,
me.
stop,
Yeah, I
stop,
totally
stop.
died.
We're not
Look at me.
happy.
Bam.
Don't
I
stall.
tasted
No,
the
I died.
fish. Yeah. I
Wait,
just
what
said
does
hi
this
to the
saw mean?
shrimps.
What does this saw mean? I'm not sure.
Yeah, just because I'm gonna land the paper cup.
Yep. Like literally, there's a meme about the Piper Cup says, oh, you can like the every single plane can just stall out at like the lowest speeds, and the X Cup is like pathetic. Which I mean is
And
Oh
picture.
crap! Oh no, I have weather to be alive, and I have 2 knots wind, side wind, and the
Like,
plane
actually
just said nah,
Damn.
ain't gonna take off.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna take off from a helicopter. Not sure why, but whatever. Since I'm
I
actually
don't know,
quite
take
bad at
off the
helicopter.
helicopter. That's happening.
Unable. I can't use.
I'm gonna land
use.
a
I
headwind
can't use that.
because yo, I wanna turn up the
Oh my
wind
goodness, the
settings all the
helicopters
way
are
up.
like the most unstable. What
Yeah,
the
they're one
Take
of the
off the
hardest
runway.
to fly. Bro, I wanna turn up the wind settings all the way up so that this plane won't fly. This plane will just kite. Will
Oh,
literally kite.
you gotta make the correct heading setting. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put headwind on so in the direction that I'm gonna land, so that I can literally land this plane like a goddamn helicopter. Just kite it on the aircraft carrier.
Wait, well, hold on. Wait, I need to zoom out just so I can see. Wait, what? No way.
I'm just kiting. I turned off the I turned off the engine and I'm just kiting at this point.
Oh my goodness, you are actually quite true.
Like
Wait, are you red or something?
I'm in a yellow Piper Cub. Wait, I got
Oh,
it.
yellow. Sorry, I'm colorblind. Nah, just kidding. I couldn't see that clearly.
Okay, I'm just look at me. I can literally land this like a helicopter. Watch me.
Okay, I'm actually gonna watch you. You're a little too high there, Tango.
No problem. We'll descend just like a helicopter. This
Wait,
is
your
so
engine is
cursed.
actually off. Holy damn.
This is so cursed. This is so
Alright,
cursed.
try again later.
Bruh.
Oh my goodness. You're a mad lad.
Bro, like, yeah, like the engine is only
Those are
10%, and
Like,
without the
21.
engine, I'm already in. I still have aerodynamics to like do a little jump. See? Eh.
Oh my god. You're a mad lad.
Yeah.
Congrats,
Let
dude.
me just put in some power and look at me. I'm just look at this. Look at this.
Bruh,
Look at it.
that is just so cursed. Oh my.
What's cursed? I
Imagine
need
if
to see this.
This guy is
imagine if
legitimately taking off with a Piper Cub, with a
vertically.
very crazy headwind. Like he's floating right.
Boom.
Bro, man's. Why is he taking off? Why is
Yeah, watch me,
bro?
watch me.
His nose is pitched all the way down,
Oh,
and
oh
yet he's
no.
going up.
Oh no.
Oh my god, we actually took off. And
Bro, I want to do this with the powered glider to be even more cursed.
well, you know
Oh
that one of the
my God.
gliders that the Alice Force Salento 2 Electro actually has an engine into
Yeah,
it.
I know that powered one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Wait, let me
Since
find
when
I'm
were
it.
there
actually gonna do the
powered
same.
gliders?
Yeah,
Also,
I
like a
saw
There's
thing?
like
actually one.
It's
That's actually
it's a
true.
thing now.
this is just kiting. No, the engine is literally off. I have 40 knots wind behind on my tail, and
Oh
this is
my
just
God, he's just floating there.
But you're actually
this
not
just
kind of engine off because you're still keeping the engine running, which makes it at idle position. But
no. I just pressed E. It's totally on
Oh
off.
my God, Featherweight, what is going on? Featherweight is trying it as well. Featherweight is
Did
just.
what
What
is
is my altimeter?
Vertical takeoff.
wait, what
Not
is
the
the
tower.
wind direction when you're landing? I'm not sure. Very weak.
Yeah, it's so weak that it doesn't even makes its way forward. I think the wind just pushes you back if you go
Okay, I'm now in
headwind.
a. Can someone
Okay,
confirm that I'm actually going like Tango 13?
wait a second, I'm coming in
What's your
behind you.
name? You Sasuke carrier.
Imagine
Where
Bro,
are
if
you?
all of this was in real life. Imagine
Wait,
if.
Oh,
Oh
no,
no.
no,
uh,
no, no,
Oh no,
no,
how
no.
am I
no,
overspeed
YouTube
no.
says that someone
in a
already did
glider?
that.
How am I overspeed in a glider?
Wait, what? Now you're pitching down too fast. I think that's why.
Uh, bro, let me tell you that I saw a video on YouTube of a guy just landing the way I did on the carrier in real
Yeah,
life
that's
with the
actually.
Piper
There's
Cup.
even a competition for that in real
Yeah, I
life.
know
Like,
the shortest landing. I think the shortest landing,
CL
yeah, was
competition.
9.5 feet world record.
Correct.
Alright,
Yeah, that is actually correct. And
where is the air? Oh, I see the airport from there. So
can someone
small.
confirm that I'm going like Tango that I'm going like Tango 13? I'm not sure.
Cannot
What's your
confirm.
I
name?
don't see you yet. I'm
Cannot
coming
cannot
in.
confirm nor deny it.
Yeah, now I'm stalling out.
Alright, I'm hanging away from the airstrip. I gotta like back.
Oh, the Pirates of Caribbean. Oh my gosh. Allow me to my right way.
Oh my god, a songbird is
Yeah,
legitimately just
for it.
slamming me right now.
I'm gonna
Holy
do it.
Look at me,
Wow,
boy.
Pirates of the
Oh my
Caribbean.
god, I legitimately just landed.
Wee! Kiting.
Bro,
Cool, and
like
now we go.
just the realism is just so crazy. Like
No,
how a browser is just so
45,000
realistic.
feet.
I'm just getting a mind-blowing idea. Imagine if a carrier could go as fast as 50 knots and a Piper Cub would just come in for a landing this way in real life. Someone's gotta try it in a way with a speedboat or something. Someone's gotta try it. And
Oh
then
my god,
Have you seen the GeoFS bug report?
yeah, I haven't actually seen them, but where do you find them?
I have seen them. They're so weird.
let
Wait,
the
what do you
wind
mean?
Yeah, it's
What do you
so
mean by
carry
funny to
weird?
like take him out of context.
What do you mean by weird?
They're so out of context.
Like
What?
like rickrolls?
Yeah.